Eco Warrior, Practical Steps to a Greener Life, is a module we've designed here at the SOLAS Eco Education Centre to give practical experience to students and young people on how to live a more sustainable life. So the classroom-based module, which is the first of three, covers the whole topic of the global emissions, the problems we face in terms of carbon and biodiversity loss. From there we move into the practical elements of it. The first one is involved in getting hands-on experience of growing seeds and vegetables with our horticulturists, getting the hands dirty and understanding the science behind food production. And from there we talk about the whole area of reducing food waste by sensible purchasing, recipes to reduce food waste, and then how to use food waste if it is produced in a circular economy way, whether it is through composting or the real stars of the show, which of course are our chickens, which turn the food waste here at SOLAS into eggs. So one of the best things about food waste is that you can reuse it. And in the case here of the SOLAS Eco Garden Centre, what we're doing is we have a flock of chickens and we feed them each day with waste from our food kitchens, and they come along and they turn it into the most delicious product. We get 12 free-range eggs every day, and it really is a super part of our business here, and it's a great visitors attraction as well, and it's really bringing, we'll say, the whole SOLAS experience back to traditional type farming environment where people are growing their own vegetables, and then they're also coming along and they have their own eggs and things like this. So it's a lot of setup here. So we have this element of it here. We have a large walkway for the chickens. So in the area that we've allocated for the chickens, the 12 chickens that are here, if we wanted to categorize ourselves as free range, we can actually accommodate over 400 chickens here, which is insane that you can do that in such a crowded space. It's roughly 11 chickens per square metre, will still allow you by Irish regulation, European regulation, to be free range. So it's great to be able to do something that's fun like this, that it's a good business proposal, and also it just gives great quality of life to the chickens. And it's one of the favourite parts of my day here, even though we'll say it might be a job you might think you delegate off. It's really the senior managements here in SOLAS who do the chicken feeding and also the egg collecting every day. And it's a great activity, particularly at the weekends, bringing visiting children up with their parents here to see the chickens and collect the eggs.